Hi, and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm just going to show you about product types and attributes in your Fasthosts e-commerce website builder store. And I'm already logged into my store section of my package here. So this is where you're going to manage it from. Now, product attributes and types just allow you to group products together. So for example, women's clothing or men's clothing, any items of men's clothing or women's clothing, you could give them attributes so that it makes it easier for your customers to search for products that they're looking for. And there's a lot of different variations you could have. And like I say, it just allows you to make your store nice and easy to search and also helps with search engine optimization. So to start with, I'm just going to quickly show you where the attributes are for products. Now, I have got a fruit and veg store here, but I'm going to do this video just on one of the sample clothing items, just because there's a few more attributes we can give to clothing than something like raspberries, for example. So if we go into there and go to attributes, at the moment, there's not really much we can do here. We can say what kind of brand, what brand it is, and the UPC, which is just the product code. But we want to add some more things, into this one. So you can either click on manage attributes from there, or you can just go to settings and product types, and both of them are going to take you here. So here we can see the product type here is general, and there's the two we saw there. So we want to give this another product type. So we're going to give it something a bit more specific, and you can have as many product types as you want. I'm just going to do a fairly top level one of clothing just to show you here. You can do a search in it there, or you can kind of browse through there. But there are a lot of different sort of product types you can add, so search is quite useful. And again, even within clothing, there's a lot of different product types you can have. But I'm just going to choose clothing as the top level there. So you can see by default it's already automatically added these green ones in, so that's just just because they're clothing. And we still got the global attributes in there for clothing as well. And those global attributes will be there for any of the product types you have, but you can always hide them from each product. So we don't want to show the UPC code to our customers. So we can have do not show, which allows you to put a code in on the back end, but it just won't display on the product page. These ones here will display on the product page for your customers to see, but if you don't put a value in them, they won't show either. So don't worry too much about things just appearing without any kind of values in there. They won't appear until you put a value in. So what we can just quickly do here as well, if we want to change the order that they display on a product page, we can do that. And I will show you how this looks on a product page in a minute, and it will make a bit more sense when you see it. So for starters, we don't want age group. I'm gonna have do not show on that because I'm never going to use it. So I'm just going to put do not show. These yellow ones here, these are custom, so we could put something like fit in here. So that just allows us to add whatever attribute we want. So you can get really creative with that. So I'm just going to go ahead and save that. So now we've got this clothing attribute. So let's go back to our product. Let's just do this black dress. And we can go to the attributes tab again, and now we can change the type. So the general is just those generic ones, but we want clothing. So before I add anything in here, let's just preview that product. And at the moment we can see they're going to show in this product detail section. So there's nothing there at the moment. But if we start adding some things in here, so black age group, we had that hidden, so we're not going to add anything in there, but we could put something in there if we wanted to. It just won't. It will help them when they're doing it will still count when they're doing searches, but it just won't show in the product page itself. So gender, so this one is female. Sizes, we've got small, medium, and large, and fit will be loose. Okay, so like I say, you can put anything in these text boxes here. So now if we save that and preview the product, we can see that those have shown there. And just worth noting, I could have previewed that without saving. So if you don't want to make it live, you can use that preview product without saving to actually see what that would have looked like. As soon as you click save, that goes live on your store. What you will notice is that if I didn't add anything in, so for brand, for example, I didn't add anything in, so it's not shown there. And that just makes your store nice and easy to search, helps your customers find the products they want, and also helps with search engine optimization. And that's the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye for now.